Hello everyone, welcome back. So for today's video we're going to be making white chocolate covered strawberries. We're going to be using these.
Alrighty, so here I'm showing you what the bag of chocolate looks like. I'm just showing you the brand, and I'm going to show you on the back that you can use it in a fondue pot, a microwave safe bowl, anything like that. It's very simple.
You can mix many fruits with it.
You can use it and you can mix any kind of fruits
so
that you
is
like
what
with
I
it.
have.
It shows kiwi, cherry, and pineapple, but I normally do like banana and strawberries, but I ended up going to You Pick Place and I just got strawberries from where I live, so that's why I did that with strawberries. But since everybody likes strawberries, chocolate covered strawberries, no matter what kind of chocolate, this is a good time. Plus it's almost Valentine's Day, so you know. So I am next showing you the bowl. The bowl has about 3/4 full of chocolate. I'd highly recommend to do about half or a quarter of that and do that instead, and cook about every 15 seconds. Stir, 15 seconds stir, 15 seconds stir. Really keep an eye on it, and then just make sure that you stir, and just do it until
we give them out to people. So
it'll be delicious.
So to friends and family. I had to microwave this for 15 seconds, and every 15 seconds we are going to stir, because you kind of want to keep an eye when you do fondue or melting chocolate, even when you use like white chocolate chips or dark chocolate chips, anything like that. Whenever you keep it in the microwave, just do it like every 10 or 15 seconds. Keep stirring it, because it will get burnt, it will harden, it will get nasty really fast. So this is something you really have to keep an eye on. And this one, again, you can use a fondue pot. So you don't have to use this one in a fondue pot, but you can. But this is just what I have. I don't have a fondue pot, and we have a small kitchen, so we're working with what we got. So I'm going to go ahead and microwave this for 15 seconds, and then I'll show you the next part.
Okay, so I did it for 15 seconds the first time. It's literally going to look like this. It gets kind of melted and blended together, as you can see. But we're just going to go ahead and stir, get everything nice and even. And then we're going to pop it in for 15 more seconds. Okay, you'll see everything start to get melted, and you'll kind of feel it too. But you see how everything's melting over here. And it starts to get all mushy. And this was the second round. So we're just going to go ahead and stir that up and go in for another round. Here is the third round. As you can see, it's getting all melty. And it is looking good. And I'm actually going to pop it in there 10 more seconds instead, because you see we still have a little bit of lumps. So I'm going to pop it in 10 more seconds, and then we're going to do some white chocolate dipped strawberries. Okay, so we got our strawberries and we have the white chocolate. So you're going to take your strawberry, keep grabbing the leaves and they're falling off. So you're going to take your strawberry, just go ahead and dip. I like to do the twist. And there's your strawberry. You make it a little bit prettier than I did. I'm only doing this one-handed, but you can use a spoon, a spatula, a knife, a butter knife. I would say not an actual knife, butter knife. Go ahead and do that, and then set it aside. Let it harden, and it's a good gift. You could also use this for drizzling on cake, desserts, anything like that. But again, make them prettier because I'm doing this one-handed. How is it? Good? Well, thanks. Thanks for watching. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.